I'm a chalk artist and wondering if I can gift you guys a free chalk drawing on your driveway.
I don't have kids in here or anything.
Is there anything you'd like? Or you're good? No.
We're good.
Okay. Of course. Merry Christmas.
We don't have any little kids, so it doesn't do anything for us.
Okay. Christmas character. Okay.
Good, I appreciate it though.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Go my first, yes. I get to do whatever I want. So here we go.